So I was looking where I left my other phone, and I was drawn to this flickering light of the Minecraft, one of the Minecraft torches, and there is the phone. It's even got some storage inside. And some supports I gotta remove. And I did this with a glow PLA. Let's see how she lights up at night. I had to do several different scalings of it to get the Vase Mode, because on these you want to just do one single thin layer so the light shows through it. So I started out with the original size, and it was too small. Like, it fits on there, but the thing would just fall off. Which maybe that's what they want. I don't know. But if you want something that's, I think I scaled that like 115%. That still wasn't enough. And I went with 100 and maybe 120%. I think I was just going up a little bit by a little bit. And this one's didn't quite fit. And then the last one. Perfect fit. And with a little luck, this will be interchangeable with our other Minecraft things that we've started down here. You say that because one of the things that Donald Trump does quite characteristically is that look, Jethro. We got torches we can see now. Let's find our way in the mines. It'll help light it up so you can see better with your cataracts. Yeah, we're making things to help Jethro see. That's what we're doing. And let's see if we can get this to glow once we shut this off. Gonna have to really hit it with the UV light to charge it up. But you can even have a glowing Minecraft lamp. You just need some LED, UV, tea lights. And all these cubes will be put to some good glowing use elsewhere.